Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Bigo Live profile. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see right now, I'm on like my little profile place. How you get here is at the bottom of the screen, you can see about 5 icons: a home icon, an explore icon, a little camera icon, a community icon, and a me icon. So we're going to click on the one that is on the bottom right corner on the me icon, and that will take you here. So once you've got here, at the top of the screen, you can see my profile picture and my name. So I'm going to click on my profile picture, and that will take us here. So at the top right corner, as you can see, there are 2 icons. So we're going to click on the left one, and this will show you can share your profile on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Viber, contacts, other, and you can even copy your link and send it to any app. You have recent contacts and friends. And you even have a search icon to search anyone you want to share it to. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!